Okie dokie, now we are like 6.5 weeks. That's little Bella. And Della. And then this is little Beach Baby, which she's already got at home, but her mama only had one little sweet baby. So she's having some playtime. They're only like 2 days apart. Bella, now you be nice. You are silly. Okay, so that's Bella over there, and there's Della, and there's Beach Baby. So Della and Bella they'll be 7 weeks old on Friday, and this is Tuesday. And then Beach Baby is 2 days behind them, so she's just a little over 6 weeks. Yes. When she turned 6 weeks on maybe Sunday. Yeah, it was Sunday. She's 6 weeks and 2 days. They are having fun. Yes, you guys are so sweet. We got a rainy old cold day. And we're supposed to get a bunch of snow and ice starting tonight into tomorrow. I don't know. You never know about these weather forecasts. They said we could get 8 inches. It'll probably be a ½ inch. It could be more. My first winter here, they thought we were going to get 1.5 inches, and we got about 21, 22 inches. That was hilarious. So I remembered where I got this little fish toy. And they actually have lobster toys too. And it's at Avenue Veterinary Supply. Avenue Veterinary Supply. And they're only $10. Okay. You're a little sweetheart, aren't you? Alrighty. Well, we'll call that good. Okay.